Oh, ayaw na. Okay, ano sponsor. What to more? Got the no lighter, sino yun?
Why do you need so many lights?
What the hell?
Tama na yung camera, di kailangan camera. Hindi naman nagagamit.
Max na yun lahat. Sige, game, go. Binili lahat.
Yaman na.
Yaman nyo ah.
Ito.
Oh my god, ang daming gamit.
Pinaps ka sa
Ano kayo ng show? What the heck?
Sino ko muna ng EMF?
Baka magagawan pa ka.
Ay, shit, sorry. Hindi, akala ko ghost box yung nakuha ko.
Oh, fortune coin. Nice.
Paano mo malalaman?
Okay, malaki-laki.
That's what she...
One floor, please.
Nope, it's not one floor. May second data. You know.
No!
Paano malalaman if that's yung...
May salt dito.
I cannot see a thing!
Ba't kumuha kayo ng ano?
Okay lang.
Nice. Assault.
What is over here?
Freezer pero di malamig.
Oh, fortune teller.
Oh, may
Oh,
ano...
okay.
May fortune coin dito.
The fortune teller's the item. That has to be the item. Oh.
Pwede ka magtago sa freezer.
Two over here.
What?
May lighter.
Mag-drop or mag-increase?
So, grab it. God dang it.
It's fine. Mamaya, pag nahanap yung ano, yung area.
What is this? Coffee cup. My cup.
Coffee cup.
Uy, nag-ano ka na agad? Wait lang!
Uy!
Oops, sorry.
Wait guys, may kape ako. Inom lang
Three!
ako ah.
Nag-3 dito!
Look, coffee.
Ooh!
Ina.
Oh, may second.
Uy, tulog na
Kasi
coffee!
kaagad.
Tinawag kasi!
Oh, nabasag yung...
Hindi oh.
Nasaan yung...
Wala, basta di kape ni Cheska.
Bakit ako?
Nasaan yung room?
Di ko alam. Di pa ako makapag-score kasi tinawag agad.
Bruh.
Oh, 1841. How do I know
Oh, ghost orb.
temperature?
Ghost orb.
Wow. Saan mo nakita?
Dito.
Sa entrance?
Dito ako. Nasaan ako?
Oh. Weird.
Coffee bar.
Ghost orb. There is one entity that can mimic ghost orb.
Yeah, yung ano, skinwalker.
Mm.
Sasamahan mo ako sa second floor.
Oh, yeah, open the lights. It's on now. Two on the kitchen, three on the kitchen. Two. I think it might be the kitchen. Or somewhere near.
Dito sa second floor.
Nope. No activity there.
Oh!
17 kasi dito eh. Pero wala pang mas mababa sa 17.
Ba't ka makakakit dun sa ano, basement? I think there's a base.
Makaka-akit sa basement?
16.
Bagtad yan ah.
Yay.
Get to basement.
Okay, pagtawadan niyo ako. Okay. Okay.
Energy check. Ilan na po?
Sa baba. Summer dito sa baba. Na 16 na sa baba eh.
Oh, freezing
Oh, negative. Freezing.
Lights are open.
Nag-freeze na siya.
Gold, banshee, or
Damn, sa bar.
handprint, spirit box,
You're so off.
or wither.
Vex. Wither. Hindi freezing at saka ghost orb. Wala pa.
Hindi, I mean handprint, spirit box, or wither.
Plus ano ng salt, pa scatter. Para ma-check natin yung heartbeat agad.
Nasa akin. Wait.
Meron ba kayo narinig na na-break
Kainin
glass?
salt.
Nasa akin na.
Nag-ano?
Nag-break na glass?
Ito, oh.
Oh, yun nabasag ko lang.
Isa pintuan.
Hindi, glass. Glass na sa window, hindi cup.
Sa mga, yep. Yeah, it's freezing. Oh, well, how about here?
Oh, shit.
Sa hagdanan packet. Okay, it's fine.
Diyan, Captain. Diyan, banta.
Where's a book? Naman got books.
Doon sa may ano.
Yung books.
Here. Here.
Sa bar? Okay. Alright, we're good then. This is not activated.
It's not?
It's
Alin?
shut down. Yung ilaw.
Oh my God.
Yung ano,
Yung laser, wait.
laser project. Yeah, kanina. Pinaka-off.
Turn it off? Whoa.
Someone turned it off.
What the heck? No way.
Oh,
3, activity. So the question lies on EMF reads the electromagnetic field of an area. But why do ghosts interfere with the electromagnetic field? Do they have mass? But they are lightless. They move, yet they have no presence. But they can inflict a lot of
May
force.
sigaw. Banshee.
Therefore-
Mas mataasan siya sa banshee siya.
Far.
Ang bilis naman ng agad.
Tama.
what's your goal, ghost?
Stop asking it.
Why?
It's blue.
Run
Ano?
away.
Shit.
How
Ano
long?
yan?
Wither?
No. Tawag dito? Handprint.
Fingerprint.
Yeah.
Banshee nga. It's a banshee.
The banshee. Alright. Objective time.
May handprints?
Yep.
Oo.
What?
Okay.
Objective number 1.
Be gone, ghost. Be gone.
Pumasok kayo na may hawak na cross
Okay, sino
Tas
yung-
candle. at curse object. May nakita ba tayong curse object?
No.
The coins are the cursed objects.
Be gone.
Really?
Yeah, I'm sure that's one of them, but it doesn't activate because every time you're outside or something.
Be gone, ghost. Be gone.
Sayang yung cross. Huwag kayo pumasok.
Kala ko ba?
Ay, activate na lang natin pag nakuha na yung fortune.
Okay.
Guys, backup lang ako. Mocha.
Isang makiyalo, please.
Coffee machine.
May vanilla po kayo.
May chocolate po kayo na coffee.
Here, mocha. Chocolate coffee. Paano ko? Pagkatapos basag.
Imagine.
Come.
Sabihin niyo kung maglalabas na ng cross, ah.
Asan yung fortune?
Sa garage. Outside. Freezer room outside.
Mag-fortune na ako.
Wait,
Alright.
what? Wait. Let me hide. Damn. Okay.
Saan may hiding spot para sa cross? Pasok ka, Captain. Labas mo yung cross. Pasok.
Ay, kuko ba?
Doon sa kanila. Sunod ka sa kanila.
Ito dyan yung code.
A teammate is revived. Saan? Sayang.
Ah.
Wala, save yung card.
That's it.
I have
Sayang,
another coin.
imagine may namatay, tapos ginamit ko yun.
Imagine.
I have another coin.
Ay, wala nang revive. Nah. No activity.
Orb. Saan yung ano?
Ay, kailangan yung cross dun, Captain. Pasok, pasok.
Yes, ako
Wala.
napapaliw ko na. Pasok.
Four. It's active.
Counted ba sa outside tong ano? I mean, inside ng ano?
Oo.
Eh,
Inside yung backyard.
What? Tumagos ako?
Wow, ghost ka na.
No refund. Oh, what is that?
Return 50% of energy. Wow!
Wow, ang gaganda naman ng mga fortune na yan.
Meron pa sa second floor na coin.
Okay.
Wala, pwede ka tumagos.
Although there's no hiding spot here that I saw. Oh, there is.
Meron.
Isa lang.
Tumagos ka na naman.
Pwede ba picturean? Of course, object nga siya, bro.
Yung.
Look at the photos.
Yeah, of course it's a cursed object.
Yeah, we need coin.
Can you try to click it without coin?
Okay. I need a coin to do
Did
this.
it do anything?
I need a coin to
Ah,
do
okay.
this. I need a coin to
Try
do
clicking it again and again.
May nahanap akong coin. Magtago na kayo.
Feeling no, tago na tayo.
Hindi na kayo.
Yes.
Flame, okay ka na?
Yep. I'm going.
Let's focus na ng ano dyan ng freezer.
Let me activate this one. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Plus 30.
I smell a fear. I smell a fear.
Wala, maganda din yung card.
Oh, what is that?
Oh,
Candle.
what is that? Okay, we get up.
Yeah, wala nang coin.
Yup.
Yung cross daw.
So, ganun ba? Tatlong coins? Para ma-activate yun?
Oh,
Nope.
hindi.
Wala din naman yung frame.
Chances kasi may chance
Damn.
na ano yung mag-hide gamit yung tickets.
So ano, may chance, so yung chance mo na malasin is yung swerte mo, basically. Malas naman.
Coin.
Kung kailangan natin mag-hunt, ayaw mag-hunt.
Cross.
Fear of
Sa akin.
Okay. Nababaliw actually. Wala nang nababaliw.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yan.
si
Backside.
Captain, 61.
Captain, get up.
Okay, what do I do?
Yung kanina ginagawa mo.
Go inside?
Yes. Tapos ikot-ikot ka. Tinatabi mo yung ghost.
Nag-hunt na.
Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
Try mo mag-message sa ano? Try mo mag-message sa chat.
Is it not
Spirit
working?
box.
Is not my sound leading to you?
Dun ka sa bar.
Oh, sa bar.
Oh yeah, go to the bar.
Yeah, dyan ka lang.
pam. Pam 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 pam. Pam 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 pam. Do you not find me attractive, ghost? Huh? Do you not find
Hindi ka pinapansin ng ghost.
Pati mo naman, bro. Oh,
ayun na si... Mukha ko, why is he not showing up? Is it a guy ghost? Maybe a girl
Guy
ghost? Fish? Oh, kaya
Hindi kasi
pala.
gay ghost.
My skills are not working.
Dalawa tayo.
Tinan mo, meron ka rin palang cross.
Tara dito, Captain! Captain, dito tayo, Captain!
Bakit nandito si Stephanie sa freezer? What the hell?
Well,
diba?
Ghost, please. Labas ka na. Please.
Bakit? Ang haba.
Please. Gusto mo ba
Gusto mo
magtanong
muna.
lang ako, ghost? Ano yung paramdam bakit ganun?
Wow, naman. Hindi pinapansin. Ginaghost ka ng ghost? Grabe talaga.
Oh!
Grabe, masyado tayong... Is it the lantern?
oh.
Nag-ano daw siya,
Confirm
nag-slow
siya.
siya ng... Ano, pang baba ng sanity.
Sobrang slow lang.
Look, mine's not moving.
Ghost, come on.
Oh, okay.
Get me,
Okay, let's go.
Oh, why? That doesn't make... Okay.
please.
Ah, patay natin yung ilaw.
Ayaw talaga.
Oh, pinatay ko yung
Oh,
ilaw.
yun na
Patay
nga.
lahat.
Mama.
Okay, wait lang.
Is this what you want? Is this what you want, ghost?
Dito ba? Ayan.
You want the ghost to find you?
Where are you? Just nasaan ka? You're supposed to be patrolling. Just where are you? Ay, yung paramdam nakakainis.
Oo naman.
Babad na kami dito.
Nag-ielo na ata kayo.
What if may isa pa palang coin na hindi natin alam?
Baka,
Ano?
baka alis na tayo.
Shy type. Yung ghost.
Ayun yung type ko eh. Ba't ayaw mo paramdam ghost? Okay, type ko yung mga shy type.
Ayun, tama nga ako. May isa pang coin.
Ayun.
Ooh.
Ang coin.
Next
Yan
ghost,
na.
go! Oh my god, yung fan gumagalaw.
Ba't dito nagkaan sa labas?
Ang sabi, Stephanie.
Ito yung mga, tingnan mo nga doon sa mag-EMI. Mag-EMI nga doon.
Saan?
Sa cafe. Try mo ulit.
Ano mo?
Slam yung door sa kanya.
Di mo ako.
Oh, what? Nag-open siya ha? Paano nagsalando? Ha?
Nag-slam yung door dun sa ano.
Yun yung card ko. Pag sa lahat ng pinto.
Soul door.
Yun yung... Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Pagkawalat.
Ay, cross na lang talaga eh. Kaya... Tagal naman.
May coin pa yan.
Meron
Isa
pa
pa
yan.
yan.
Meron pa yan.
Nagre-recover yan.
Wait, nasa isa kong ano? May flashlight. Din ako ng coin.
Why is it not working? Oh my god, ghost. Ghost. Kasi na pumasok ka dito. Ako lang mag-isa.
Ayaw mo na, kaya mo na yun mag-isa.
37 na ang sanity ko, pwede pala siya paramdam at hero.
Kailangan 0. Yes.
Guys, alis na tayo, guys. Next game.
Next game.
Tara na nga.
Next game na.
Tara na.
Wala na to.
Pili na ha, Banshee.
Banshee.
Handbrains, freezing. Ghost orb.
Banshee na, Banshee. Banshee.
Les, saka na.
Oh shit, sorry. Kailangan pala lahat na. Let's go. Captain. Ayaw lumabas ni Captain, oh.
Iwan na yan.
Ay, hindi naman pala. Paramdam. Napaka-shy ko niya.
Level 8 na ako.
Oh.
So,
Hard ba yun? Parang...
Hindi, naka-medium kaya hindi nag-ano eh. Kasi
Okay.
bagong area.
Hard naman.
hard.
Parang ako kulang yung ano eh. Or sobra. Yung... Skip na natin. I have mine.
Ako yung nag-box kanina eh.
Kaya apply. And next is energy. Oh no. Ano ito? Salt canister.
Yan, money
Let's
mo.
go, ready ka na.
Just go, ready.
975. 1,975.
Ma! Dito ka nga.
Takot ka sa chest.
Nagagatago.
Hindi ko lang kita.
Thank you.
Daming lantern.
Aming bahay.
Uy, may fortune. Fortune yung ano.
First off,
Ulit. Balas.
hirap kasi mag-trigger ng hunt gamit yan. Lalo kung swerte ka.
Oo nga. Sino mo ang malas?
Yee!
Hindi, sino yung mukhang swerte? Para malas. Ewan ko.
Goshi.
Oh, ano yun?
Hindi, kailangan kasi malas ka para swerte.
Ay, hindi pala.
Aga?
Oo.
Hindi pa.
Nagagatago.
Ganun lang ghost event sa taas. Sa taas.
Ah, 2 dito.
Ghost event sa taas. Takot. So scary.
2 dito, sa may kitchen.
Kitchen ano?
Pero hindi malamig. Hindi dyan.
Wala. Okay.
Stephanie, taas tayo.
Alin?
Taas tayo.
Nasa taas. Nasa taas na sila. Mabilis
Copy yan.
mag-drain yung sanity Watch out.
Oh,
Ba?
dito sa taas. Sa storage na to. 17 dito eh.
May taas pa?
Hindi. Itong ano. Dito.
Ay, ang bilis na.
Natawag na ako ah.
Saan? Saan kayo?
Yo, what? Dito
Oo.
Open mo.
Wait! Huwag ka wala magsalita. Hoy!
Sige, sorry.
Wala pang orb.
Okay.
Ay, orb. Wala pang, I mean, yung green thingy.
Mabilis mabalo ni Captain.
Yes, lagay ka dito sa taas ng
Meron na.
camera.
Meron na, dalawa.
Ah, meron na ba? Okay.
Oh, nabaliktad yung isa. Bro. Nasaan yung room? Sorry.
What are you looking at?
Taas
What are you
dulo.
looking at? The painting. The painting is very nice.
Wait.
It is the most beautiful piece in my repertoire. I like it. I make it as my wedding statement when the people come in my house to home. It's gone.
I paid 20 million for that painting. Uy, sino yun? Huwag mo munang bubuksan yan. Sino man yan? Please, huwag muna. Wait lang!
Okay. I will not.
Uy, huwag naman.
I will not.
Ito.
Nagkagod.
Oh, ayun na
Uy.
nag-hunt.
Oh, nag-trigger siya ng hunt. Who is not? Sino hindi nakatago?
Hindi siya freezing.
Oh, rain still good. Okay.
Ilang ano na, Stephanie?
I might know where it is.
16 lang.
Who is it? Oh, bakit na siya?
Might be in the freezer.
Mhm. Oh my God.
Okay, buhay pa si Ray.
Yep.
Are you far away?
Oh,
Is it good na?
laser.
Laser.
Sure.
Oh.
Really?
Okay, nakita ko siya dito. That's all.
Nag-hunt pa din ba?
Hindi na.
No.
Ano yung objective to?
Identify the ghost na lang. So how do we...
Ano yun?
Get close.
Nasaan yung room?
I think it's his freezer.
Ay, oo, sa freezer. Sa freezer.
Yeah, it spawned there.
Stephanie
It
naman eh.
spawned there. On me.
Stay on mo.
Let's go.
Ako mag-hunt.
Nope. You're fine. Diyan sa freezer.
Unti
Na ano na yung
unti
EMF?
na lang, unti na lang, mag-freezing na.
Eh, kasi nasa freezer ka.
Tama yan.
Diba?
Punta ako dyan. Samahan mo ko.
I think kaya freezing temps dyan kasi freezer yan.
Stephanie, dito tayo.
Tama.
Hindi ba?
Eh, pa sa'yo ah.
Oh, hindi ko siya nakita sa ano. Laser, hindi ko na-picture. Stay slow.
And walang spirit box.
Hoy,
Ay,
tara mo yan. Wait ako. Hoy, tara mo yan!
Where is it?
Oh, run, Ryan. Behind, nasa packet na.
Ano ka ba?
May hiding hole dyan. Diretso ka dyan.
Yeah, I see. But
Wait. Ring.
Yan.
Ano ba?
Hindi ako yung nasa dulo ako.
I think it's done.
it's not on me.
Jessica, ba't natatakot ka? Don't be scared.
Yeah, it's done.
No, hindi pa tapos.
Huwag ka na lumabas.
Hindi pa tapos.
Wow.
Oh, someone died.
Pause. Hirap ka.
At the bar, it's at the kitchen.
Oh my God, yung gamit ko. Yung kamay ko nasa pat ko pa. Oh, may fortune.
Walang spirit box sa scene.
writing? Shadow or
Oo.
Wendigo? EMF 5
Ano
or
writing?
Ghost
Hindi ko
or
makita yung writing.
Ghost Orb? Narinig ko.
Sure ka? Ay,
Nag-laser
Writing nga.
pod.
Hindi siya shadow.
You think?
Ghost
Shadow.
Orb or EMF 5? Hindi ba
Hindi siya
nag-F5?
siguro shadow.
Hindi ko alam kung...
Naka-Wendigo siya.
Wendigo.
How do you get out? Oh. Nasaan na siya?
What?
Oh, yung laser projector. Si Captain lang yung ako dito eh. Galaw na galaw ng upuan.
Nakakita ko na ako.
Stephanie, asan ka? Nalabas na ako. Wait, ulit.
Nakit ako. Dito. Okay.
Buti nga, Jessica.
Hindi ko kita yung
Open
nag-5.
the door. Hey. Can you open the door?
Uy, Stephanie!
Hey, tumingin ako.
Dito, Stephanie!
Fine.
Oh, yeah.
Sa freezer!
They died.
At hindi ko nagpa-5 sure hindi.
Ah, yikes.
Hindi na.
Take a picture na, guy.
Oh.
Ghost Orb na lang ang kailangan makita.
Okay, so wrong room ako. Kaya siguro walang camera. Is it still hunting?
Walang
Oo.
walang EMF.
Okay.
So we're good in the top part.
May puppet siya. So, make sure na lang na may
Yung
Ghost
photographers.
Orb.
Still hunting? Yes.
Hindi na.
Oh wow.
Okay.
No. Okay.
So, Ghost Orb.
What's the plan?
Did I take picture?
You got it?
Yes!
Yay! It's good enough. And just the type.
Tsaka tayo ng EMF!
Ghost orb.
Na-picture mo ba yung coins?
Ghost orb.
No.
Dito sa table, sa sa entrance.
Oh, yung ano na lang ang pipicture.
Meron din sa cashier.
Ay,
Si Mr. Guy.
then I die.
Yun lang.
Let me out! Let me out! Wait. Okay, wala na.
Wendigo. Wendigo.
Wendigo.
Na Wendigo.
Wala nang film.
Wendigo.
Good. Wendigo.
Go.
Wendigo. Wendigo.
Go.
Wow!
Success.
Double X earned.
Ah, sino yan?
Easy yan.
Crazy yan.
Uy, sali ka oh. Isa pa oh.
Level 9 prison large. Sino malapit na mag-level up? Oh, si Rain.
Ano ba yung sa level? Anong level na?
Kayo pa.
Level 9?
Level up eh.
Uy, prison.
Prison. Or,
Bali, dalawang games na lang.
no. Isa na lang.
Reason.
Alam.
Ay, tipo may
Pwede
ano.
dalawa.
Ano daw? Ano
Ay.
yun?
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Di ba may ano tayo? I forgot what I was supposed to say.
Alam.
Well, this not. Okay. No.
Hindi yan sali ka, hindi.
Hindi, kasi may test ako bukas.
Oo.
Hindi ako deal.
Oh,
At 12 o'clock yun.
Oo.
Like, yeah.
Ready ka na.
Thoughts and prayers!
Prayers.
Ready.
Prayers.
Ate Latin prayers ang kailangan.
Prayers ang kailangan.
Alright.
Lord will
Latin
give the
prayers.
way. Lord will give away. Lord will give the way. It says to take the way. I forgot the lyrics. Must stay. We cannot see. I forgot the lyrics. Anyway.
Hello, where are you? Hello.
Walang fortune.
No.
Tapos nalipat yung...
No.
Kanya-kanyang kapit lang talaga yan.
Yes, sir.
Ano lang?
You here? No.
Isol.
No.
That
You here?
Ha?
No.
kanina pa ako sa kanta ni Angel.
Sorry, ano?
Kanina pa ako sa kanta ni Angel. You're living for the rush. All
Totoo,
of
ganda.
my gosh. Thank you. It's not hindi mataas yung register. Pero it's slutty enough. Yeah.
Nanap ko na yung mirror. Sa
Nice.
CR.
Yung... Oh, Ghost Orb.
Mirror.
Here. This room.
Agad?
Oh.
This room.
Thank you.
Oh, nilagay niya na dito yung ano. Wow, galing ah. Sino nag-set up nito?
Strain.
Ako.
Damn.
Si Jessica rin.
You guessed it right. You guessed it. Damn, dalawa kayo.
No, may EMF dun eh. Naglapag na kami.
I'll get the rest.
Dito nga.
It's
Sino?
just science.
Ay, ginagawa ng salt pan. Deposit down.
You lather it on the ground and then it
May
can walk.
flower na dyan,
and then
diba?
it can slow down the the ghost.
I need
Oh, walang
a
maglalakad dyan.
better.
Lagay mo dun sa taas.
Alin?
Lagay mo sa ano nilalakaran.
Dun sa taas.
I need a better
Dun.
fire.
Ay, naka-off pala ako kanina pa. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Masamahan mo lang ako
gosh.
dito. Dito ka.
There's a light.
Nasa baba ka? Okay, sabi mo ah.
Sino kausap ni Cheska? Oh my god.
Nababaliw talaga si Jasper. Guys, alam niyo na yung pansin.
Tama.
Hindi na dito. Yan.
Ganyan talaga yan si Jasper.
May taguan ba dyan sa may labas, Stephanie?
Wala.
Tago-tagoan, maiwanan kang pa.
Tangina mo, nagtatawag ka pala ng multo. Ikaw
Oh,
na
hindi nagsasabi.
nag-warning.
Biglang nagtatawag. Hey guys. For one more. Oh, lumilipad yung puno. Ay, yung ano. Puno.
Sarado nyo! Sarado nyo!
Hindi ka na naman tawagin.
Bakit? Bakit? Wait lang. Dito yung EMF, guys. Mag-ilang side nga kayong lahat. Tumusog.
Guys, please.
Hindi na po kasha.
Wala na yan.
Max capacity. Max capacity.
Hindi makait na.
Ako makita. Wait lang.
Yung ano, yung salt palagay.
18.
Palagay ng salt.
Wala sa akin yung salt.
Yung salt!
Yung salt daw!
Wala sa akin.
Ano, saan ba sa talaga eh?
Sa
Dito.
pintuan!
Pintuan.
Saan dito?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oo.
Dito?
Gitna mo naman. Oh, galing. Gitnang gitna.
Tawag ka na ulit. Visit ka.
Buting ka bang kalbo ka?
Gusto niya lang yan.
Hoy, wait lang!
Hanap tayo ng first item.
Alas.
Hanap ng
Hoy,
first
sarado
item
nyo
pala
dyan!
nasa ano,
Hoy!
diba?
Hoy! Yung mirror.
Oh,
Hindi nasa iba yung mirror.
Wala sa akin. Nasa CR sa baba.
oh, CR sa baba. Okay, kunin ko. Wait, nasan CR?
Hoy, ba't nakabukas yung pinto? Sarado nyo.
Sara nyo. Ay, sara nyo.
CR sa baba.
Hoy, ba't nakabukas? Ang kulit mo naman!
Wala nung sa kakatakot na yung kape.
Kung ikaw yun ang bubukas.
Bubukas ng ilaw. I mean yung fuse box.
Ayun.
Oh, ayun na.
Okay na?
Pag tayong tatlo namatay dito.
Where is it?
Nandun nga. Kung saan nyo binapa yung gamit.
I was right.
Uy.
Ang kulit mo!
Hindi ako yun.
Bro, what happened?
Ikaw yun!
Get an energy drink?
Oh.
Oh, get the coffee.
Walang spirit
Get some
box.
coffee.
Spare box.
Get some coffee.
Oh, coffee. Okay. You want me to die?
No. So you can replenish
Sorry,
energy.
box.
Ay, we. Yung ba yun?
I don't know, try it.
I'll try.
Stephanie, bukas yung pinto ah.
I don't have sanity, everyone.
Walang spirit box.
Ayan na yan.
Ayun na.
Lahat na. Huwag niyo nabuksan yung pinto, please. Captain!
Bro,
Okay, get that.
kinasa flash sa paa tapos sabi ko bababa ko tong flashlight.
Huwag mo na ba muna?
Hindi binaba ko muna.
Two.
Yeah, open this shit.
Do you have slots to light some candles?
Do I have what?
Slots to put candles. We need the guy to blow candle.
Sure. Camera can wait.
Oh, no, you can.
Four
bring it
lang.
up. Maybe I can. Did you bring this thing?
Yes.
Okay, I can
Okay
bring
na,
the.
let's go mag-hunt.
Okay.
Tapos naman mag-hunt.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Labas na.
Una ka
I
na.
get the lights.
Hindi freezing. Walang freezing.
Oh, that's good.
Four lang yung yung EMF.
Wait,
Let's look for
bumababa
the
na.
Let's look for
May ghost writing.
Oh, nice.
Ghost writing. Okay. Leviathan or Wendigo?
Oh.
Oh! Ghost orbs!
We're getting hunted.
Yep.
Tao po. Kasha po.
Hindi ka makita, guys! Lahat sa kanan!
Okay na. Leviathan.
Are you dead?
You see that picture, I guess.
May handprint? Okay.
Yeah, may hunted. May ghost orb, di ba? Kanina sabi ko.
Kaya mo.
Oo, sabi mo.
Nakalimutan ko lang.
Ano yung,
Uy!
ano yung nagpe-fake ng ghost orb?
Kinuha ko.
Leviathan.
wala.
Akala ko Leviathan. Okay.
Yeah, Leviathan.
Close na? Close na ba?
I don't know.
Leviathan.
Hawak na ako ng cross, ah. Hawak na ako ng cross.
2.
Is it open?
Napupulot yung broom.
He likes throwing stuff.
Hi guys.
Sarado.
Alam mo.
Gusto nyo ba activate ka na to?
It's good. It's activated.
Oo. Pero hindi pa nagbe-break.
Wala.
Ba't mo nilagay dito yung salt?
Candles. Put the candles.
Bruh.
That's crazy.
Wait, sino may sanity? Pwede kumuha ng kunin yung ghostwriting. Oh, lumilipad ang mga pinto na upuan.
Go sa'yo.
Sayang.
Ayan. Nasaan? I'm here.
Room. Pati
Got
yung
it.
Dang it.
Yung what?
Oh,
Nag-burn yung
Hunt.
No salt.
yeah, I mean, picturean ko yung nakapakan na salt.
Okay.
Ito kasi hinayang yung salt.
You wanna pick
Okay.
Here you go, Rain.
Oh, okay.
I believe in you.
Where the other cameras go? I come with peace.
Hey, yo.
Panoorin natin si Rain.
Oh, it's wild.
Ooh.
Ah! Where are you?
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, it's hunting.
Wow, wala.
Same.
Yeah, it's angry at me.
Dadabo.
Yeah, pero wala akong
I am the better version of you that you will never get.
Ginagamit
Yeah.
mo.
Kasi isang cross.
Nasunog ko na.
Tell me when it's good.
Oh!
No, it's not.
Okay na?
No.
No. Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Okay na rin.
Okay na, okay.
No, nasa stairs siya. Okay na.
Okay na.
Get out.
No, wala sa stairs. Don't get out.
Na-picture ko ba yung ano?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do. I'll be fine. Masabi na.
Run for your life.
Average level. What the heck? There's so many things not to do.
Oh.
I haven't done.
Wait lang.
Trigger na ako ng hunt.
You don't need to be inside. Nasa
Yes.
loob ka?
Yeah.
Sige.
Yung mirror.
Sige, trigger mo na. Go.
Mirror naman eh.
Yeah, para bumaba yun yung stamina, I guess. Nice.
Ano may lighter?
Or,
Which is going on.
candle na sa taas. Inopen ko. Meron din dyan sa baba. Pero pa na yun yung...
Oh, mga po. Hurricane, Toshi.
Ang galing. May ghost detector yung camera sa taas. Nag-iingay.
Yung yemet yun.
Galing.
Bubukas na yung door.
Nope. Sa taas siya.
Bagal naman yan. Oh. Okay na.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yup.
we're good.
Yun.
Ayoko magkakapi sana ako pero zero.
Healing wounds! I heal your wounds.
Wow.
I absolve you of your sins. I absolve you of your sins. Ping!
Magka-candle pa ba tayo?
Oh,
Wala akong light.
Naka-light na yung ibang candle. Ayaw niyang patayin. May na-light akong mga 3.
patay na nga.
Oh.
Patay na.
May candle pa dun, oh.
You can light 2 more. So bunch of lighter.
So, may tayo magtagay ng phone. Ay, empty na.
Kape.
Uy! Color pink!
Kape.
Tingin.
Strawberry latte.
Ano gusto? Ano pong order niyo?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Vanilla.
Wait, cup ba yun? Nasa sahig. Zero
Ayun na, kumukuha na siya.
Tago ka!
Sa taas!
Tago! Taas!
Tago!
Tago ka! Tago ka! Magtago ka! Hindi ko mana yung salt. Hindi ko mana yung salt. Yan ang resulta ng pag-inom na gawag ng kape.
Makablow na siya ng candle, pwede natin na witness.
Oh, we have to be there.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
all.
kawawa.
Ano niya?
Oh, check ko lang may ano niya, temperature. Ayun, patay.
Malamig ba? Malamig.
Lamig.
Malamig.
Ayun.
Uy, gumagawin puan.
So yun.
Ito po, ano po, na condolence po. Excuse po, condolence.
Dali.
Excuse. Condolence
Oh,
po.
wait. Okay. Wala akong sanity. Actual.
Tama na.
Wala na
So,
lahat. Zero.
Ayan, asukal din.
Yay!
Masingkan.
Yung pabigyan.
tara, iwan natin.
Kaya na.
Oh, no!
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, check nyo na. Check nyo na yung ano. Post.
Alam.
Ano ulit
Ano ba
yun?
yung ghost?
Skinwalker?
Please, ghost or ghost
Okay.
writing.
Divide that.
Kaya na.
Vital.
Rain, why are you breaking me off, Rain?
Sini-CPR! Sini-CPR!
Rain, ba't may nawa?
May crowds pala.
Live.
Breaking me off, Rain.
1,001, 1,002. Ah! Wow!
Okay, sige, bye-bye, paalam.
Gagaling
1,001,
Ngayon, Sierra Madre.
1,003, 1,004, 1,000.
ko.
Uy, level up.
Guys, next.
Tatlo lang.
You know,
Level 9.
May reason na tayo, parang ano to, maliit
Bilisan
lang.
na tayo. Parang maliit lang na.
Ikaw ba rin?
Maliit lang yan.
Uy, large
Ikaw
yun!
maging part. Ngayon, ikaw party leader para ma-unlock mo yung job site.
Yup, side.
Ano yan? Oh,
Kasi hindi pa ako 9 eh.
upside. Hindi siya, ano? Ayun. Yan, prison.
Yeah.
How do you select it? Red,
Nasa
if it's
na,
red.
isa
Oh,
ka
red. Yay, okay. Ray have... Oh,
Medyo-
wait. Anong difficulty?
Video.
Okay. Okay. Gawin tayo ng ito. Gawin tayo ito. Gawin tayo yan.
Max nyo na
Okay.
lahat!
Okay na yan.
Uy, walang camera! Walang camera!
Uy, camera.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Masyado ako marami na pili. Oh, it's fine.
Oh, yun lang. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. That. I don't think it's small.
It's really small.
Large na! Large!
Wow, small.
Sabing maliit, ha?
Yung ano mo, yung Jun mo maliit.
My God.
Yung pa nakita.
Makita ko na. Yung bata ka pala.
Perv. You're perv.
Guys, ako
Yes,
yes,
sir.
rooms. Promise.
Uy, sino ka na spirit box ko?
Spirit box mo?
It's on the ground. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Onti lang yung room.
19.
Unti lang yung room.
Uy!
Sabi dito. Ba't dito niyo?
Uy!
Taguan mo yan.
What the heck?
Hey! Nasa right
Oh,
na.
no.
Uy! Ang daming taguan!
Yes, pwede tayo.
Dami.
Ayoko na nito!
Oh,
To dito!
Tago-taguan.
Sa library?
Oh, what the heck?
Ilaw, please! Ilaw! Ilaw! Ilaw!
Uy, mirror.
sorry.
Ilaw!
Yung
Anyone?
mirror na sa library, oh.
Oh my god, it's messy.
Oh, exit.
Nasaan yung ano?
No.
Ang daming taguan. What the heck?
Nasaan yung mirror?
Sa library. May isang room sa library.
Huli ko. Hey. Okay. Tignan ko lang to isang beses ha.
Wait lang! Wait lang!
Wait!
Wala ka pa! Wait lang! Wala ka makita taguan! Wait lang!
Ay.
Wait lang!
Wait lang.
Ikaw kita, good.
Sarado niyo yung...
Tago.
Tapos di mo alam kung nasa akin, no?
Oo nga, no. Hindi ko alam. Okay.
Okay, what did you see?
Wait lang, wala pa.
Okay.
Storage.
Storage. Damn.
Nasan yung mirror? Wait. No, wait.
Oh.
Storage room. Hindi ko alam kung 2 or 1. Kasi parang ganito yung itsura.
Ay, dalawang box naman tayo.
Nandito siya.
It's 2 here. 2 EMF. Malakas.
May 1.
Malakas ang present.
May storage 1.
May? Sige. Itong other libro, pwede natin lagay dun. If I can find. Baka sa taas.
Baka nasa sa kabila. Kasi ano tayo.
Okay.
Shit, ang laki.
Sabi na kayo magbas. No,
Ito.
Saan kayo banda? Di ko kayo makita.
Ayoko na dyan.
Tapos may
Paano sa taas? Sa taas yun. Courtyard. Stairs maybe.
Yeah,
Capable.
Pwede ka lang po na. Bandang security na si 16 eh.
Bakit may middle sa
my God.
mga pinto?
By the way, there's salt and energy there. Balikan natin to. It's in the infirmary. If
Huwag
ever.
mo namatay. Expect naman matay ako. Oh! Sa CR! Sa shower room! Namatay sa shower room!
May?
Sa shower room, sa first floor. 16 eh. 15.
Oh. That's not cool. May storage.
Kaliwa, dito sa kaliwa.
Wala pa.
Kanan.
Masyadong hindi ko mahanap yung fuse box.
What if I look at it again?
No. Akit na mga gana.
Wala pa ako na-place na camera. What the fuck?
The heck?
Oops.
Oh, what? Oh, nga ba?
Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko iwan.
Oh, on the fuse box.
Hey!
Hey!
Open it.
Yay!
It's open.
Hey.
Oh! Can I? Oh my God! There's so many.
Storage?
No. So many fuse. Anong patayin?
It's not me.
Yan, okay. Oh! Wait lang, check ko lang ulit to. Kung... Oh no, it's fine. Daming bubuksan. Pagpunta niya sa, sa Lightroom. Buksan niyo na lang lahat.
Saan yung light room?
No, it's upstairs. Maliit lang yung upstairs.
Ah,
Donuts.
Ka, tara.
oh god.
Tara.
I haven't checked this.
Ay, sorry.
Donuts! Oh.
Can't do anything with the donuts.
Stephanie, kapag ako namatay.
Parehas tayo mamatay.
Walang nandyan.
Okay.
Sarap. You can't see anything. I have no lighter. Can someone find me?
Oh.
Ano?
Hindi ko mahanap yung fuse. Saan yung fuse?
Uy, sarado mo yan.
Taas.
Doon nga sila sa taas.
Dito ako sa taas.
Oh, ay, ang laki-laki niyan.
Dito.
Ah, yung ba? Yung malaki?
Yeah.
Oo, yung laki.
Gusto ko na.
Ah, sorry naman.
Gusto ko na. Putang
What
na.
the fuck?
Kanya ba ito na? Test sa kanya pa dito.
Magahas yan, tinukla ka na. Tuklaw ka na.
No. Mamaya na.
What the
Saan yun
fuck?
I don't think mabubuksan lahat.
My gosh, kanina pa ba ako
Maybe.
off mic? Ano ba yan?
No,
Maybe like,
Ngayon?
Yeah, kanina pa.
baka pag nakabukas lahat, like hindi,
Oh,
Hindi, kasi baka pag na-on lahat, maubos yung battery. Generator. Something. I don't know. So just open what needs to be open, maybe. There's only one storage room, it seems like.
Bakit nakasulat doon 2?
Ay, di. 2, di ba? Oh, meron siguro. Hanap kagdanan.
So weird. Bakit?
Ano yun? Tawag doon?
Nag-break ng glass.
Ghost orb ba yun?
Kasi di Banshee.
What?
Banshee daw.
Ano siya?
Sabi na Chess ka nag-break ng glass. Hindi malakas na Banshee yan.
Narinig ko lang. May narinig kaming nag-break. Di ba, Captain?
Oh.
Mama!
I think
Oh,
it's just
sold.
other storage.
And, nakita mo na to. Sorry.
Infirmary. Pwede mong gamitin na. I don't know where you want to place it.
May kuku?
Probably.
Oh god. Kasi ginamit ko yung Can't find it.
Oh my god, 5.
It's dark.
I think okay.
I can't see.
Yep. Gonna open it.
I guess. Namatay. Thank you.
Uy, sa taas nga sa security. 5 na dito.
Eh?
6 na.
Okay.
Oo.
Tago nga kayo. Check ko ulit. Okay, wait, hindi pa pala. Lagyan ka lang ng salt. Yo, stop that.
Please.
May nabasag.
Ay, nag-break.
What?
May nabasag. Wala pa palang low sanity.
It's definitely a banshee.
Oh, freezing temp, ghost orb, handprint.
Ghost orb. So, mali yung ko. Okay. Dala nga ako dyan ng
Ang iniisip ko kasi siren, kaya binigay ko yung box. Okay.
Then walk inside.
Ghost orb. Don't see any.
Try to lagay mo dito sa mga stairs. Two, my activity, less.
Nalagay ko masyado sa... okay, di ako lang.
It's fine, actually. It's still here. Oh, nothing.
Dito na kaya ba?
Four. Everything's floating. 4.
Sarado nyo!
Kung makita yung temp.
Hindi ko nga ako
It's good.
Wala pang evidence? God.
Wala pa iba.
Iba.
Ayaw din niya mag-freeze.
It's not walking on the salt.
I Are you guys hiding?
Yeah.
Okay. Tago na kayo ah. Tago lang kayo ah. Okay, I'm gonna check. Yep, it's storage.
Alright. Storage 2?
Yeah. Storage. No. That's it.
Where's
Wait lang.
storage?
Am I nuts? No.
Or storage 1?
Nasaan yung one? Good. Wait.
Ay, ma!
Where are you, Rain?
What? I'm above.
Oh,
Hello.
try this out.
Okay. Can I come in?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna just yoink. How do you activate it?
E.
Yeah, it looks like storage.
Diba?
Definitely looks like storage, yeah.
Storage. Nasaan yung storage?
Yep. That's bad. Probably.
Uy, ang kulit naman neto!
It's hunting.
Ano ba? Just go, stop it.
Saradol mo!
Wala akong makita, guys.
You didn't know flashlight?
Nope.
Where are you? Sa tingin mo, where are you?
Nasa baba.
Baba? Oh shit. Find like an exit light. It's not above. It's on you, I think. It's on us, Nasa amin. You're safe there.
Okay.
Just survive for a bit.
Uy! Sarado nyo! Naka-open!
Sara mo!
Ina-open nyo kasi eh.
Sinalo mo ba?
No activity.
Sinalo mo kasi.
Can I go now?
I'm gonna try to find you. Bes,
It's open.
buksan niyo yung ilaw. Okay.
Hey, wala na hunt. I'm outside.
Ay, nice.
Okay.
Storages. Am I low, Les?
What?
Low energy?
Yes, 10%.
Okay,
I think nag-hunt siya.
alright.
Shit, nag-hunt nga siya.
Punta ka doon. Diretso ka. Punta ka sa left. Diretso ka punta sa left. Left. That's right.
Hate to do it.
Hindi, nasa far pinakadulo siya ng ano, baba. Mula yun sa entrance. Go.
Open na?
Nope. Okay na.
Stephanie, labas na tayo. Stephanie.
How is it? Why is it a bad game?
Stephanie, takbo na tayo. Stephanie.
Saan tayo punta?
Labas.
Na kayo lumabas.
Oh, labas.
There's one door that's not opened in the courtyard. Ah! The storage one!
Oh, nasaan?
Wow.
Courtyard! It's only one openable room. There's a flashlight here.
Okay, dadala ako ng ano.
Punta ka sa courtyard. It's like near the cafeteria. Ish. Near the showers. Bathrooms.
Courtyard?
O, pagpasok mo kaliwa.
Courtyard, di ba?
Yep, courtyard. Tas may isang small room.
Courtyard. Ayun. No way. Oh, saan?
Yung ano, nasa corner.
Ayun.
I was curious before, why isn't it open? And then I just passed it.
Huh?
So the other one?
Yeah, there's also no activity here. Could be
Ang problem dito is
storage room
hindi
2 talaga.
mababa item.
I think so.
Hindi mababa dito.
Ano siya eh, may shelf siya dito sa harap.
Sa
then
corner.
sa left.
Gilid. Oo. Padala ng flower pot.
Okay.
No, balik tayo sa... Ito nga siya. Library. We know where that is.
Here.
Yeah.
Yung camera may night vision.
Nice.
Pero wala akong makita ghost or
Oo. Malapit dito.
Ito na. Ito nga yan. Pa-drop na. Oh, is that facing the right?
Yes, yes.
Nope, hindi maano. Yan.
May last hope.
Yes?
What? Tumataas
Wala,
yung-
akala ko lang.
I don't have any light. I have no sword.
No light?
No light.
Do you want me to put
Kayo,
a
wala
lantern
kayo.
there?
Raya. Yung kayo.
Okay kayo.
Wala ako.
Secret.
Dark.
Ay.
You want light?
Yes.
There you go.
Take it out.
I have no light. Follow me. Follow you. I follow you.
Together. We go out together. Stay together. Nahanap ko yung cursed item.
The mo.
Dude, wala pa tayo evidence.
That's true.
Ay, yung cursed item pala yun. Nasaan yung mirror?
Above. Upstairs. Is that salt? What is that?
Ano yun?
What happened?
Is that orb?
Oh, what?
Faint light?
This is where I die.
I think nawawala yung
Yeah,
ghost.
this is where I die.
Ayun. It comes out of... It came out of the storage.
Oh. Sa storage nga siya. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Damn.
So,
Damn. Kita ko
guys,
siya.
pacheck yung pintuan.
Damn. Hindi na buksan. Damn. Just what are you doing?
It's the door. Can I open the door? No.
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Okay. The door is not open.
Open na.
Yun na.
It's screaming at my...
Sa prank.
Hindi nga.
Open na.
Okay. Ewan na. Yo.
Nangyari.
Nakikita natin ito. Hey, anong itsura nito? Tignan nyo. Habang may use pa. Look.
Ako.
Di ba storage 2 yan?
I don't know.
Ano, sinira mo, Stephanie. Angit mo kasi.
Bakit ka daw?
So, Banshee, kasi
There,
yun lang yung
on the
swing
wall.
guard. So, nag-revert na glass.
Hindi maganda. Open all.
It wailed last time. It wailed at me before.
Same.
Yeah, sa akin mo.
Tapos din.
It's above, upstairs. Oh, it knocked over.
What?
Camera knocked over the top door. It's walking up there, so we can find footprints there.
Ah, okay.
Anime chefs na tayo, guys, after.
Malilive na ako ah. Last game ko na to.
Yun, anime chef.
Wait, didn't?
Saan sa apat kayo?
Footprint. Footprint.
Oh, footprint.
Yes, it did.
Very
This
good.
guy is doing this. Doing this. Renters.
What is four?
Oh,
What's more?
nag-burn yung cross.
Oh, okay. We're safe.
Objective number 2, capture photo of the ghost using photo camera. Who have camera?
Capture photo.
Who have camera?
I do. Do you want
May
it?
camera niyo?
Do you want it?
No. Take a picture. Oh my god. 5%. 5%. Sad.
Ayun naman.
Oh, better mo ba?
Objective 3.
Ayun. Energy.
No, but
Let's see if it's freezing up on the storage.
what do we need?
Freezing temp and ghost orb.
Freezing the ghost orb.
Surprisingly, there's no ghost orbs.
Kaya nga yun.
So weird. Why? So it's not? It might not be correct.
Oh, it's after me. I'm dead.
No, you're not.
No.
It's after me. Yeah, you're right.
Hi.
Why did you do that?
Oh, withered.
Oh.
Hindi kita ng
Oh,
camera
oh.
yung ano, yung flower
Kaya
plant.
nga eh.
Wither?
Yeah, nag-withered.
Withered.
So, hindi siya banshee.
What?
So handprints and then wither.
Yes.
Yep.
Dialbook or Keres. Freezing temps or spirit box. Freezing temps or spirit box.
Was it hunting? No one.
Hunting, yes.
Pero bakit siya nag-break ng glass?
It's just a
Diba?
red herring. Everyone can do that. It's just more likely.
Okay.
Samahan niya
Kasi
ako.
ang dami naman kasing glass dito eh.
Masama.
I'm there at storage 2.
Hawak ang freeze, temperature, spirit box.
Yes. Spirit block
Okay.
and freezing temp.
Okay. Let's do this. Umpa ko lang. Objective, photo. Yeah, pasok tayo guys. Come on, let's do this.
Oh.
Kunin mo na ako, ghost. Come on. I don't care anymore. I'm not scared. I'm not scared anymore.
Hello.
Take me.
Punta ka sa storage. Check mo kung bumubuga ka ng yelo.
Okay.
Worst case scenario, katawan mo. Kasing tigas ng yelo.
Level. Courtyard.
Pinuntahan ko siya
Go to the library, go to the storage.
Yay!
saan siya nag-spawn. Hindi ko
She's something.
See?
Ba't di niyo ako sinasamahan?
It's not hunting.
Nakasunod yung cross.
inom. Inom kahit hindi ko
Where are you guys? Where na you? Stefan, nasan ka? Ka. Punta sa storage, Stephanie.
Wala akong sense of direction.
Halika.
You go right. It's just right. Okay, I'll come with.
Okay.
It's bad. I think it's bad. I think that's not good. Not good. Labas muna.
Wala dyan sense of
Oh,
direction.
no activity.
Oh, burnt out cross. Sayang, hindi ko na-picture. Sama-sama sila oh. Wala.
Oh no.
Nabiling camera.
Ideal.
Sa akin.
Oh, patay na pala sila.
It's not freezing in here.
Hindi nila napansin dun sa sa energy, dun sa may monitor.
Hindi siya lumalagpas.
Voice box mo. Yung pinakamalapit na... Wait lang. Let me see.
Ito. Ay,
Yan.
If hindi freezing, spirit box.
Yeah, dalawa na nga lang. Spirit, freezing or spirit box.
Kusi.
ayaw naman magsalita.
Oh, may katong pala.
May ayun na po, sir. Nakakawang. Ayan, nag-hunt na siya.
Ayaw
Hunting.
mag-spirit box.
We check the temperature again.
Check the
after this.
temperature.
Checking.
Wait lang. Wait, I don't sense activity.
Yep, sa'yo. Sa harap mo.
Go see.
No.
Oh, it's
Check
right.
temp.
Yes.
Checking. Hindi. Asa 9? Ah, wait. Lumabas ko na pala.
Wala.
Where are you?
Dito, storage room.
Stay there.
Hindi. 5.
Ano magsalita dito sa room?
Kumama ako.
Is there a hidey hole here? Nope, no hidey holes. Doon nga yung pinakamalapit sa kabila. Nothing?
Ay, talaga niya.
Do we just go 50-50 then?
50-50.
Wanna go 50-50?
Let's go.
50-50.
Alright, let's go.
Go. Kaya niyan, guys.
Sinong pipiliin?
How convenient.
Sinong pipiliin?
50-50.
50.
Try mo nga kausapin ulit. One more time.
Sira yung box.
Alright, cool. Sila na.
Ilan yung temperature nung tinignan niya?
Doesn't go
Pumasok siya
below.
ng 3.
Nabato ba yung ano?
It could
Corpse
be good.
ni...
I don't have money. I don't have a lantern anymore.
You agree?
Nabato ba yung corpse ni Les?
Ewan.
Baby baru
We should.
maladam.
Okay.
Yeah, get up. Yep, 50-50.
Wait, hindi pa nag-ano, wait. Ini-minimize yung mga chicken. Like, go. Okay.
50 demo or what? Ano yung mga evidence mo?
Handprint and weather.
Sino pinili?
May hand with there?
Yep, meron. Sino pinili niyo?
Secret.
Si 50.
50-50.
Wait lang.
Sige, pinili ko si Keris. GG's.
Tako.
What type? Let's go.
Good. Let's go.
Ano kaya?
Uy, sakto.
Yes!
Nice naman.
Yeah. So,
You expected a race in this economy?
Bruh.
Yun yung nakalagay sa akin.
Alam mo.
Hindi ba baliw?
Wow, ang galing. Grabe naman mga ibang player league. Sige.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Nag-release na ba yung iba dyan?
Siyempre, hindi.
Ayun lang. Next game. Tulog.
Anime chefs. Dailies lang ako.
Anime Chef Dailies.